Now I will talk about what are the question arise in Python. So first question is what are the different data structure present in Python? So the data structure in Python are list, string, tuples, sets, dictionary. Now second question, which are mutable and which are immutable? So mutable data structure are the one whose content can be changed after it's declared. List sets are the mutable, where immutable data structure are those whose content cannot be altered once they are declared. Dictionaries, string, and tuple are immutable. Now third question is what is the difference between a list and a tuple? The main difference between list and tuple are lists are mutable whereas tuple are immutable. The syntax for tuples is given using two round brackets, whereas two square brackets are used in the case of list. Tuples can be used as key for dictionary, whereas list cannot. As you can see, the code written by the variable d equal to in the curly bracket, whereas the following declaration is invalid, where variable d is equal to in curly bracket written in the list, so that is invalid. Now next question, how do access the key in a dictionary? Dictionary are data structure present in Python which store key value pairs. As you can see the code as the name of variable d is equal to in the curly bracket name colon Ameya, same age colon 25, blood group colon A plus. This is the pair of key and value, where we can get the value by using key d and name of in the square bracket name will return Amiya as a value. Same way we can get the age key will get value of 25. Now the key on the other hand can be accessed using the dot key round bracket command. Dictionary above as you can see dot keys round bracket will return name age blood group. What are comprehension in Python? List and dictionary comprehension provide a concise way to create list of dictionary. If you want to create a list containing the sequence of the first n numbers, L variable equal to blank list for I in range 1, comma n plus 1 round bracket close colon L dot append inside the round bracket I star 2. Then we can write in the concise code by using list comprehension. L equal to inside the square bracket x power star 2 for x in range inside the round bracket 1, comma n plus 1. What are negative indexing in Python and how is it used? Indexing in Python can be done using both positive and negative integral. In positive indexing, the indexing starts from 0, which represents the first element in an iterative data structure. For example, if you have a list L is equal to insert the square bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then we get first value by writing variable L in the square bracket 0 will return the first element, that is 1. L inside the square bracket 4 will return the fifth element, that is 5, and so on. In negative indexing, the indexing starts from -1, which represents the last element in an iterative data structure. For example, if you have a list L equal to 100 under square bracket 1 to 10, if L inside square bracket -1 will return the last element, that is 10. If -2 will return the second last element, that is 9, and so on. You can generate random number in Python. Python has a module named random which can be used to generate random numbers. Import random. We can use random.random to a random number ranging from 0 to 1. Random.choice inside the round bracket any underscore iterable. You can pass any data structure in the bracket and it will select one of the element from it at random. For example, if you have a list L is equal to under bracket 8, 4, 1, 6, and you use random dot choice L, it will randomly select any one element from the list. Random dot range bracket on bracket के अंदर a comma b. This function helps generate a random integer from the range a to b. Random dot uniform a comma b. This function is the same as the above. The only difference being this function will return you a floating point number instead of an integral. Normal, variable, macro, and sigma. This function helps generate a random number from a normal distribution whose mean is micro and standard deviation is sigma. When will you use a list versus tuple versus set? A list is the most common types of data structure which can store a sequence of elements. Also, lists are mutable by nature. So, list as a data structure is a perfect choice when you want to store a series of elements which you can change later. Tuples are the same as list with a small difference that tuples are immutable and they also use lesser space as compared to list. Tuples can be used when you have constant which cannot be altered. Set as a data structure. Store a sequence of unique elements which are unordered. Set are the perfect option when you want to store many elements while avoiding duplication. What are lambda function and how we use it in Python? Lambda function are single expression anonymous function which can be created on the go. Lambda function can have any number of arguments like a normal function and provide a function concise way to write otherwise long function. For example, if you want to write a lambda function that finds the maximum of two integral f is equal to lambda xy colon x if x greater than y else y. Now f 8 to 5. Advantages of lambda function is it does not require a return statement. What are global and local variable? If a variable is assigned a value within some function, it is said to be a local variable. If a variable is assigned outside the scope of any function that is in the main program, it is said to be a global variable. For example, x is equal to 3. Define my underscore function x is equal to 4 print x print x. If the function my underscore function round bracket, the value of x will be printed as 6 since it is defined within the function, but when the printf statement which is present outside of the function is executed, will be printed as x3. X is defined as 3 in the main program. The value of x is equal to 4 in limited to the function my underscore function, whereas x is equal to 3 is valid throughout. Thank you.